Hey, how's it going, subscribers? Welcome back to another brand new video from the Brand New Profits YouTube channel. Today I have a very interesting video that I know you would definitely enjoy. So today I'm going to be talking about a very interesting long-term swing trade opportunity that I'm going to go in depth, analyzing why this makes sense and why it might be a good investment for you as well. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, where my mission is to teach you how to become a more profitable investor in the stock market. It's very important that we start making money from other ways, not just your primary main source of income, which is probably your job. It's very good to have other income sources on the side because you never know. You might lose your main source of income someday. So this is very important to me, and I hope that with my videos everybody gets to learn on different ways to make money outside of your job. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. But before we do that, I do want to share some referral links. This is for Robinhood, my favorite brokerage account that I use every single day. You'll get a completely free stock if you sign up using that link. And then there's also M1 Finance, which is an amazing brokerage that allows you to invest in like 100 companies all at the same time with just $100. It's called fractional shares. And also Acorns. This links to your debit or credit card, and every time you spend money, it rounds up your change and puts it into an investment account for you. So pretty convenient, good for people who have trouble saving money to invest. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so UGAZ and DGAZ are sort of like stock indexes that track natural gas. They're inverses of each other. So basically, when UGAZ goes up, DGAZ goes down, and when DGAZ goes up, UGAZ goes down. They're inverses of each other, and they track natural gas. So UGAZ basically, when natural gas goes up, UGAZ goes up, and DGAZ goes down. But when natural gas demand goes down, DGAZ, the inverse of UGAZ, tends to go up. So, and all of these stocks, the UGAZ and DGAZ, they're 3 times leveraged, meaning they move very violently whenever there's a big difference in how natural gas plays out that day. You can actually look up natural gas like index, and you can see the movement of price in natural gas and the demand. And this is made by VelocityShares. It's like a company that makes these types of options available for you to invest in. So UGAZ, which tracks natural gas, tends to go up during cold months because homes and businesses tend to use more natural gas during the cold months, which naturally increase demand, causing the stock to go up of UGAZ. So they use natural gas for many resources such as heating, for air conditioners or heating water, and cooking as well. And UGAZ right now is at $14.70. On the other hand, DGAZ tends to go up during hot summer months like the past 4 months and right now. Because it is the inverse of UGAZ, natural gas is not in high demand right now, which is causing UGAZ to go up. But recently it has been selling off. And right now DGAZ is at 146 due to UGAZ being so low. And we've been seeing UGAZ go up, which is the $14 one, during the past few months because we are approaching the winter months pretty soon. And a lot of investors are anticipating higher demand for natural gas, and I'm one of them. And you can basically make money year-round without even investing in stocks like companies. All you have to do is keep track of DGAZ and UGAZ, and you have to understand it before you invest in it. So you have to make sure you have a good understanding of how DGAZ and UGAZ play out during the months and as years pass by, and how exactly they work, because it's essential for you to understand them before you invest in them. And UGAZ is a really good long play right now, which is the stock that I've been investing in recently. You should buy low right now when it's not in demand and sell it in the peak cold winter months. And then immediately once you sell off, because that's the peak of the cold months, you should be buying DGAZ instead once you make money from UGAZ. And this is in anticipation for less demand for natural gas as we start to approach the warmer months around the summer next year. And right now there's a lot of speculation that will create some volatility between DGAZ and UGAZ due to the hurricane that's approaching Florida at the moment. And some people think that the hurricane will destroy rigs, so production of natural gas will plummet and the price of natural gas will go up since there's not much production, which will cause UGAZ to go up. But in the event that this does not happen, then everything will pretty much remain the same. However, the safe bet right now is to simply start buying cheap shares of UGAZ as we get closer to the colder months, which is the one that's $14 right now, so it's pretty cheap. I would slowly average up, buying one share at a time. That's the discipline I stick to, which makes me a profitable investor pretty much all the time. You should only be buying the next share if you're up on the position. Set up a stop loss so that if the stock price of UGAZ gets close to your average cost, it will sell automatically, and this will reduce the risk of any loss whatsoever. And I would only invest if you're making more money by the share price going up. Do your own research. I will start watching UGAZ and DGAZ on a daily basis so that you begin to form a self-understanding of how UGAZ and DGAZ work, and only invest in what you understand. Warren Buffett doesn't invest in what he doesn't understand. That's why he has always stayed away from tech until recently, and this fact has made him wealthy and comfortable with his investments, and you should be doing the same thing. So overall, I currently have 53 shares of UGAZ at a profit of $18.54, and I'm planning on selling around November, December, and I will only buy more if it continues to go up, and if it gets close to my average cost, I'll sell immediately through my stop loss, preventing any loss whatsoever. So that's my game plan for UGAZ and DGAZ. I don't know if it's the first time you guys hear about this indexes that track natural gas. It can be a tremendous opportunity because you don't have to worry about recessions, how the economy is doing that much, because this kind of works on its own thing. There's the same thing for oil, like gasoline prices. When it goes up, there's certain stocks that go up and certain stocks that go down, for gold, silver, but this is for natural gas, and it's something that I've been paying close attention to recently, and I'm learning more about it as I study it more, and I see a big potential to make money on this stock because it's currently at $14. This stock easily moves from $100 to $200, $300 as soon as the demand kicks in. So I see tremendous opportunity, and I see myself making a lot of money through the stock. I will keep you updated on my swing trade position as well as any moves that I make. So yeah, let me know if you found UGAZ DGAZ interesting. What do you think about it? Have you ever heard of UGAZ and DGAZ before? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you all so much, and I do have those referral links in the description in case you're interested. Make sure you subscribe and comment down below and like this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.